Imagine this: you step into the wild, expecting peace, adventure, maybe a little fresh air. And instead, you're shivering on the cold ground, tangled in a collapsed tent, listening to mosquitoes celebrate your arrival like it's a blood buffet. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Good, because that is exactly what happens when you go camping unprepared. But don't panic. We're not doing Survivor Disaster Edition. We're doing this the smart way. Fast, easy, zero drama, first plan ahead. Spontaneity is great for pizza nights, not wilderness survival. Choose your campsite before you get there. Somewhere with water, fire pits, and yes, bathrooms. Trust me, squatting behind a tree loses its charm after hour 1. And the weather? Check it. Sun today can become biblical rain tomorrow. Pack waterproof gear unless you enjoy marinating in soggy regret. Now pack in, this is where champions are made. Tent, sleeping bag, ground pad, unless you want your spine to write a complaint letter. Bring a tent that won't blow away the second a stiff breeze passes. You're camping, not testing NASA aerodynamics. Sleeping gear matters. No one wants to wake up icier than a frozen burrito. Next up, food. You're gonna be hungry, and nature doesn't have a drive-through. Bring a camp stove or grill so you don't resort to eating half-burnt stick food. Pack snacks, lots of them, because hiking turns your stomach into a bottomless pit. And don't even think about skipping snacks. That's a camping felony. Oretuve arrived. Time to set up camp like a legend. Choose flat ground. Avoid widowmaker branches, those giant limbs waiting to fall on clueless campers. And unless you enjoy listening to toilet doors slam at 3 a.m., don't pitch your tent next to the bathroom. When it comes to assembling the tent, follow the instructions. No freestyling. This isn't an IQ test, it's survival. Once you're settled, now comes the fun part. But keep your brain switched on. Store your food safely. Bears don't care how organic your trail mix is, they will eat it. Use a bear canister or hang your food high if you're in bear country. And don't trash the wilderness. Pack out what you pack in. Leave nature cleaner than you found it, because raccoons aren't big on recycling. Then relax, finally, hike, explore, skip rocks across a lake like a woodland ninja, or sit by the fire and stare at flames like a caveman rediscovering life. Nighttime, that's for storytelling. Legends, ghost tales, so creepy nobody sleeps, but hey, that's bonding. Camping isn't hard. People just make it hard by showing up clueless. But not you. You're dialed in, smart, prepared, slightly dangerous, with a marshmallow stick, but in a good way. Gear up, plan smart, respect nature, enjoy the wild like it was meant to be lived. Now go camping and don't forget the marshmallows.